Should I buy a house in Union City right now or no?
Well, let's look at the numbers. We have only 47 homes that are active, and guess how many pending? 30 pending. I mean, that's not even a 2-month supply of homes. And last month, almost 20 homes were sold in Union City. So Union City, actually, believe it or not, is one of the hottest cities right now in the Bay Area because of its proximity to the bridge and all the Silicon Valley companies. Wouldn't you agree?
I agree. And within the last 3 weeks, we can feel it on the ground.
Yes.
During open houses, the traffic is a lot. Especially in the last 3 weeks, it's really gone up.
Yeah, because of mortgage rates dropping, and a lot of people are just like sick and tired of waiting for the market to drop. Motivated buyers are going to keep moving. At the end of the day, real estate is such, like, no matter what's happening in the world, people are gonna keep buying and selling. And in Silicon Valley, I mean, sometimes we meet people who've been living here for years waiting for the market to crash. But it's not your Florida or Texas, where some parts of those states are struggling big time. So definitely Union City is a great option. If you're thinking about buying, I would definitely consider that. And what do you think about sellers?
For sellers, they need to be strategic.
Yes.
The pricing has to be on point. You cannot really overprice it. You're going to not attract any buyers.
Absolutely.
You want to be strategic with your pricing. Presentation of the house is key. Has to be really well staged, has to show well, especially the spots like the kitchen and the bathroom, they need to be well maintained.
Yeah. We just listed a home which was basically almost a fixer-upper. We fixed it up. We know and have access to some really good contractors. We put it on the market and we had 8 offers, going way above the list price. So yes, things are still moving and we're getting multiple offers. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, it's critical more than ever to sit down with a professional. So Amrit, what do you think they should do?
No, I think they should reach out to us.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Reach out to us. We can help guide you, whether you think you're selling right now or in a year. We will help guide you and time the market.
Talk to you soon. Cheers.